Okay, now run. Look. Grandmas across the nation are having a heart attack. What do you think, boo-boo? Look at that mohawk.
You want to jump?
We are double dipped in 50 sunscreen, and Daddy is right out of camera's view. It's hard for me to take this.
Because of the splatters?
No, because I'm on my tippy toes.
You want to switch?
Like trying to balance and stuff. No, I'm doing okay. This might be a little bit rough. If you take the camera, I'm getting her down. Hi, baby. Is it nice up there? Oh, is she gonna jump for it?
Come get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boo-boo. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on. Jump. 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 Come on. Come on.
Good girl! Yay!
Ready? Jump. Ready? Jump.
Yay! Oh, kick, kick, kick. Who's that? Is that your doggy? Hi, Bear. He's like in the camera's face.